Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. Today I'm going to cook the two menus of Japanese taste spaghetti. Ingredients that I'm using are quite hard to find in abroad, such as mentaiko, which is kotoro, and shirasu, which is white bait, and oba, the herb leaf, which is macrophel. I guess those ingredients you are probably not familiar with, but once you try, you might like it. I will keep posting the cooking Japanese dishes series video, so if you could subscribe my channel, that would be great, and you get to know more about Japanese dishes. This is the ingredients you need for first one. This one is over the macrophel, and the pasta I use the spaghetti, and the mentaiko, which is kotoro, and butter, and also the soy sauce. At first, cut over into slices. This is a mentaiko. I'm going to get rid of the skin part. So you need to take out the kotoro, the egg. That's the skin and inside of eggs. For the soy sauce, you will need around this much, and this much of the butter. Butter needs to be heated up, so I use a microwave. Then mix all ingredients together. Next dish for the ingredients, you will need shirasu, which is white bait, and green onion, and the spaghetti. And you will need butter and the seasoned soy sauce, which is dash shoyu. Cut green onion into slices. You will need around this much of ingredients. This one is seasoned soy sauce. Again, butter needs to be heated up. I use a microwave. Next, you will need boiled water, and I put some salt. Then put the spaghetti. Once spaghetti is cooked, drain water. Then mix with the ingredients. And add the sliced macrophil. This is a completion of taroko pasta. English is called cotro spaghetti. This is other dish. Add seasoned soy sauce and the butter. Then add the white bait and the green onions. If you want, you can add the sliced seaweed. This time I use Korean seaweed. And lastly, mix well. This is a completion of shiras pasta. English is called white bait spaghetti. Hope you figure out how to cook those Japanese taste spaghetti. If you visit in Japan, you will probably able to find shirasu pasta and mentaiko pasta in Italian restaurant or spaghetti specialty shop. If you never have tried cotro or white bait, I suggest to try because you might like it. And as there are a variety of Japanese dishes that use those ingredients. Yes, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And if you have any topic or video you like to watch, please write on the comment section. I will see you soon. Bye.